Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best stick vacuums of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best stick vacuums. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner in Yellow/Nickel is a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution designed for modern homes. Engineered with advanced laser technology, it reveals microscopic dust on hard floors, ensuring no particle is left behind. Its high-torque cleaner head automatically adapts suction power based on floor type, delivering deep cleaning on carpets and efficient pickup on hard surfaces. Equipped with a hyperdymium motor, the V15 generates strong suction to capture fine dust and debris with ease. The fully sealed filtration system traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. The LCD screen provides real-time performance updates, including particle count and remaining runtime, giving users full control during cleaning. With up to 60 minutes of fade-free power, this cordless vacuum offers flexibility and convenience for whole home cleaning. Its lightweight, versatile design allows it to transform into a handheld device perfect for cars, stairs, and upholstery. Stylish and efficient, the Dyson V15 Detect combines innovation with practicality for a superior cleaning experience. Number 2. The Shark POWERDETECT Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum is designed to deliver powerful, intelligent cleaning in a sleek and lightweight form. Engineered with advanced DuoClean technology, it features dual brush rolls that work together to tackle both carpets and hard floors, ensuring a deep and thorough clean across every surface. The innovative self-cleaning Brushroll actively removes hair as it cleans, making it an ideal choice for homes with pets or long hair, eliminating the frustration of tangled brushes. Its POWERDETECT technology automatically senses floor types and adjusts suction for optimal performance, giving you efficient cleaning without manual adjustments. The Anti-Allergen Complete Seal system captures and traps dust, allergens, and microscopic particles inside the vacuum, helping maintain a cleaner and healthier home environment. Despite its strong performance, the vacuum remains ultra-lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability and convenient above-floor cleaning. With its built-in odor neutralizer, it also helps keep your home smelling fresh. Combining power, intelligence, and convenience, this vacuum is a reliable solution for modern households seeking effortless cleaning. Number 3. Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280W Self-Standing Cordless Vacuum is designed for modern homes that need powerful yet convenient cleaning solutions. Equipped with strong suction, it easily lifts dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair from carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap, saving time and effort during maintenance. Its cordless design allows effortless movement from room to room, while the self-standing feature makes storage simple and hassle-free. The removable battery ensures extended runtime and flexible charging options to suit your routine. With a convenient wall mount, the vacuum stays organized and within reach. The included upholstery tool enhances versatility, making it ideal for sofas, curtains, and car interiors. Lightweight yet durable, this vacuum offers efficient cleaning without compromise, delivering reliable performance for everyday use in busy households. It is especially suitable for pet owners who require consistent removal of fur and allergens. Its sleek design blends functionality with style, making it a practical addition to any living space. Overall, it delivers convenience, power, and reliability in one compact cleaning solution for everyday needs and efficient home care. Number 4. The LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is designed to make everyday cleaning effortless and efficient. Featuring a sleek, lightweight stick design, it allows you to move freely around your home without the hassle of cords. Its powerful suction easily captures dust, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. One of its standout features is the Tangle-Resistant brush, which minimizes hair wrap and reduces maintenance time. This makes it especially convenient for households with pets or long hair. With up to 50 minutes of runtime on a single charge, the vacuum provides extended cleaning sessions without frequent interruptions. The rechargeable battery ensures consistent performance, while the versatile attachments help you reach tight corners, upholstery, and even car interiors. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for longer periods without strain. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning your space, the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner offers a reliable modern solution that combines convenience, power, and flexibility in one compact device. Number 5. The Eureka Cordless Vacuum ReactiClean 410 is designed to deliver powerful, hassle-free cleaning for modern homes. With an impressive runtime of up to 50 minutes, it allows you to clean large spaces without constant recharging, making it perfect for busy households. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, this lightweight vacuum is easy to maneuver around furniture, stairs, and tight corners, reducing strain during extended cleaning sessions. Engineered for versatility, it performs exceptionally well on both hardwood floors and carpets, effortlessly removing dust, debris, and stubborn dirt. Its advanced filtration system helps capture fine particles, making it an excellent choice for homes with pets or allergy concerns. Pet hair, dander, and allergens are effectively trapped, contributing to a cleaner and healthier indoor environment. The sleek, cordless design ensures freedom of movement without tangled wires, while its user-friendly controls make operations simple and efficient. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning your home, the Eureka ReactiClean 410 offers a reliable, convenient, and powerful solution for maintaining spotless floors with ease.